Can you simplify this logarithmic question that we have on the board? We are asked to simplify 1.5 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5 plus 11 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of log 3 base 27, all this raised to the power of 1 over 3. To simplify this question, please pay attention. Let's start by simplifying 2 divided by 2 log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5. Let us start by simplifying that. So we have 2 divided by 2 log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5, right? This becomes 2. Let's start with this. Start with the denominator. 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2, right? Hello? 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So I'm going to have 2 log 3 base 5 minus log 2 raised to the power of 2 base 5. I rewrite 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2. Okay, recall that if you have the log of a to the power of b base c, this can be written as b multiplied by log a base c, right? So that means log 2 to the power of 2 base 5 can be written as what? 2 log 2 base 5. So I'm going to have 2 divided by 2 log 3 base 5 minus 2 log 2 base 5, right? Now, if you check the denominator of this fraction, you will discover that 2 is common to this and this. So we can factorize it out. So we are going to have 2 divided by 2 log 3 base 5 minus log 2 base 5. Are you following? So these two, we eliminate this. So we are going to be left with 1 divided by log 3 base 5 minus log 2 base 5. Because you understand, you know that this one will multiply all this. I'm still going to have this. Now, we're going to have, if you have log a base b minus log c base b, this can be written as log a over c base b, right? That is, the difference of a log is the quotient of the log. Are you getting it? When you have the difference of a log, the result will be the ratio, and then because the base are the same, what you're going to have is the ratio of a and c base b. So here we're going to have 1 over log 3 over 2 base 5, and this can be written as log 5 base 3 over 2 using change of base formula. Okay, so the simplified version of 2 over 2 log 3 base 5 minus log 4 base 5 is what? Log 5 base 3 over 2. Do not forget, okay? So let me just write it there. Let's write it here. This is log 5 base 3 over 2. Now, let us proceed to the second log. The second log is at the top, is the exponent of what? 8. So we have log 3 base 27. 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3, right? So we are going to have log 3 base 3 raised to the power of 3. Is that not it? This will become 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 base 3. Log 3 base 3 is what? 1. So I'm going to have 1 over 3 multiplied by 1, which is what? 1 over 3. That means that log 3 base 27 is what? 1 over 3. So we are done with that. Now, do not forget that 1.5, hello? 1.5 can be written as what? 3 over 2. Right? Yes. 1.5 can be written as 3 over 2. So let us replace what we have here into the original equation. So I'm going to have 3 over 2, because I said 1.5 can be written as what? 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 raised to the power of log 5 base 3 over 2. You know that we've simplified here. We simplify what we have here as this. So I just replace it. Plus 11 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of, instead of log 3 base 27, we're going to have 1 over 3. So I'm going to have 1 over 3, and this raised to the power of 1 over 3. Do you understand? Okay. Let me just erase this. Now, okay. If you have a raised to the power of log b base a, this will be what? B, right? Yes. So I'm going to apply this law. I'm going to apply it here. Because the base and this base is equal. I mean, the base and this base is equal. That means that the answer will be what? 5. So I'm going to have 5 plus 11 multiplied by, now 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3, that is what? The cube root of 8, and the cube root of 8 is what? 2. So I'm going to have multiplied by 2, and this will be raised to the power of 1 over 3. So we're going to have 5, 11 times 2 is what? 22. 22 plus 5, what's the answer? 27. So I'm going to have 27 here. 27 raised to the power of 1 over 3. 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. 3 raised to the power of 3, 1 over 3. So this will eliminate this. So the final answer to the, if you didn't understand the solution, you can let me know in the comment section the aspects that you are finding hard to comprehend. Also, you see, this question is simple. You just need to understand the laws of logarithms and its application. So I beseech you, if you have not mastered the law, or you are finding it hard to apply the laws, there is a playlist on this channel, Laws of Logarithm and its application. Just watch the various videos that is on in the playlist to gain mastery of this kind of question. You see, who would have think that the final answer would have been 3? If you don't know how to apply the law, you won't be able to solve questions of this kind, even though it's simple. So knowing the law is one thing. Knowing how to apply the laws is another thing. So do not learn by cramming, learn by understanding, okay? That will be all for this class. See you in the next class.